Why are you so scared?
I still don't like the snakes. He's got her mouth.
No. Come on. Put your hand up.
Shit, dude, that's making me mad. Fuck. Shit, dude, seriously. I'm okay with the small one.
Let's go in here. Come on.
You can't leave until you pet him at least.
Walk in.
No. No, get you.
Spider, get him.
Dude, you have to drag him out of the house. He's like, no. Spider, you're a big puppy. You're a big puppy. Spider, come on. Come on, come on.
There's the quail.
Ready, watch. Ah, he bit me.
It's Great Pyrenees.
It's a great team.
He won't bite you unless you scream.
He's an antilopian mixed.
We taught him to go for ball strikes.
No.
You had to drag him out here.
He's just laying there.
He's just a pretty little puppy.
He won't even lick you.
Josh, go get a puppy.
Aaron, look.
Come here,
Just put him.
Aaron.
He's walking away.
Hang on, I'll go
Come
get
here.
Hang on.
I'll go with the puppies. I like the puppies better.
No, you gotta at least pet him.
I did. He licked
You
me.
gotta pet him again. You gotta pet him again. Why are you so scared, Aaron? Look at him.
Push him and he went down.
He's about to cry.
It's okay.
He's looking away as he's touching him.
He is.
Yes.
Until you hear him bark, and then you're gonna start.
Alright.